spread and you see that a streak in that brisket, then you know you messed up. So relax. Low and slow like a 6-4. If you looking, you ain't cooking. Keep the damn door closed, man. What's up, y'all? I'm Big Kev, and welcome to the Bludso Bbq cooking class. You see that? You feel that? Can you smell that? That smells like victory. Now, mind you, this is one of the better knives in the world, but you can cut this with a butter knife. Look at that. Like I told you guys before, the first thing I'm looking for is marbling. See that marbling in there? That's fat. Fat is where it's at. I'm gonna show you my way of doing it. Everybody has their way. I'm gonna show you my way. You wanna have some fun? You wanna learn how I get out on the grill and on the smoker? Come check out the Bludso's Bbq cooking class. Come on and smoke one with me. What got me in the barbecue was a couple of things. First of all, being terminated off my job. That was the first thing because I learned how to barbecue here in Corsicana, Texas, and swore me down I wasn't never going into food service. My granny always had this thing of get you a legal hustle. So when I was terminated and I was fighting the wrongful termination for years, I had to fall back what I knew how to do, and that was cater and DJ. So I didn't even realize at the time, coming all the summers down here with her and learning this craft was something I was gonna use for the rest of my life. So like when I started doing it in LA, just catering and all that, it just took off. People loved the barbecue. So that's what I was like, dang, I kind of do this kind of good. So that's what kind of got me into it.